The House notes that gender-based violence, such as rape and other forms of sexual abuses, has assumed serious dimensions globally and in Nigeria. The prevalence of rape cases is estimated at 80%, with the children and even babies not being spared the scourge, while the prevalence of incidents of rape among adolescent females is between 11 and 55%. The House should call on the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice to prepare a national policy framework to guide the implementation of Sexual Offences Act that will provide further certainty to the law regarding the age at which a person can consent to sexual activities.
The Honorable House notes that many Nigerians have been killed in various detention centers across Libya, especially during the bombing of Tajura Detention Center. Also notes that the United Nations report indicted the Libyan guards who shot at migrants trying to flee the Tajura Detention Center after it had been hit by a bomb. Concerned that the battle for the control of Tripoli between the Libyan ward, General Khalifa Haftar, and the United Nations-backed government of National Accord will further endanger the life of Nigerian migrants in Libya, the House do resolves to urge the Nigerian mission in Tripoli, Libya, to assist by issuing emergency travel documents to stranded Nigerians to enable them to return home.